Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down market movements using both current events and technical analysis. Today, December 23, 2024, we will be analyzing USDCAD. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook for USDCAD, with some sources predicting upward movement and others indicating downward trends. The Canadian GDP beat estimates, which might usually suggest a strengthening loonie, but the USD is also showing some strength currently. Let's start by examining the daily chart to identify major trends and overall market sentiment. Looking at the daily chart for USDCAD, we observe a recent period of consolidation. There's a noticeable increase in volatility, especially around the 1.35 to 1.36 range during September. However, the past few weeks have seen a decline in price, especially around December 12th and the 20th. Price seems to find support around 1.33 to 1.34. This could be a key support level to watch. The recent low of approximately 1.20 is a significant event that could have long-term implications. Now let's zoom into a specific range of the daily chart, from October 22nd to November 3rd. This period showcases the increased volatility mentioned previously, with significant price swings. The price drops rapidly near the end of October, demonstrating a sudden bearish reversal. A strong support level is found around 1.34 to 1.35. To get a better understanding of the recent price action, let's move to the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart of USDCAD shows more detail, particularly on December 3rd to 5th. We see some minor trends here, but the overall picture is still one of consolidation. There is minor resistance at around 1.405 to 1.407. There is minor support at 1.398 to 1.400. Finally, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to analyze very short-term price movements. The 15-minute chart provides the finest granularity. Notice the significant spike and sudden drop around December 18th to 20th. This volatility highlights the risks and opportunities inherent in short-term USDCAD trading. Support and resistance levels on this time frame are much less definitive due to the high-frequency changes in price. In summary, USDCAD shows a complex picture. The daily chart reveals long-term support levels around 1.33 to 1.34 and a significant low near 1.20. However, short-term fluctuations are evident in the 1-hour and 15-minute charts. Significant volatility is observed around the 1.35 to 1.36 range in September and the December 18th drop. The likelihood of these price levels being reached depends largely on external factors like economic data releases and geopolitical events. For example, a further decrease in Canadian interest rates or renewed geopolitical uncertainty could reinforce a downward trend and push the price to 1.33. Conversely, stronger than expected economic data from Canada or a weakening US dollar could trigger a bullish reversal and push the price towards 1.40 or higher. Keep an eye on economic data releases, particularly the Canadian and US interest rates. Any shift in these rates could be a trigger for substantial price movements in either direction. Furthermore, global events are also a wild card, with the possibility of changing sentiment quickly and causing volatility. Traders should also monitor the overall market sentiment and adjust their positions as needed.